Hello guys, this is my 44mm Apple Watch and today we'll be seeing which is the best case for this. So I've already used the Spygen and I've used the Iblason Unicorn Beetle one and I chose this over this. I already made a video. I'll put the link in the description and in the pop-up right on your corner. So anyways, I chose this instead of this, and this is actually my second watch case. The first one is over here, so that's how much I love this. But then this has a small flaw. I don't know, after 1 year of usage the band starts to break, and so does this. I already, even in this the band was breaking on both the sides. So anyways, but for the time that it lasts, it's like bulletproof. All the scratches that you can see on my Apple Watch are because the Spygen failed to protect, and I don't recommend this to anyone. And so anyways, today I have the other Iblason one that I ordered, so let's see how it is. I really like the way it looks. So as you can see, even the box is bigger than what this one comes in. Look at how big it is. Anyways, okay, so we get a metal box inside this. That's great. Like a G-Shock box. We get the installation steps over here. And here is the case. This looks absolutely massive to me. Band has similar, it's actually slightly thinner than this, very slightly, and it's got good weight over here. This is all zinc, so I would say the first impression is like amazing build quality, like beautiful. So here's my Apple Watch. Let's put it inside this and see how it looks. Or you want to put it on this and show it to you first? Let me put it on this, because this already used to feel really big, and as you can see, this is a 44-45 Apple Watch, and this watch already felt really big on my hand, and I'm sure this is gonna be like even bigger. Like, look at it. Anyways, so the installation steps says just lay it flat and put the crown first. So let me just clean the watch a little bit before putting it. Okay, so it went in pretty easily, and this is how it looks. Let me put it on my hand. Whoa, okay. Yes, I can really feel that weight compared to this, because it's all rubber and plastic, and this thing has a little bit of weight, and I really like it. I like it like this. Makes the watch feel really expensive and big. Let me put some more close-up shots so you can see how it is.